I am welcoming all students, those who passed in class 10th exam and they get their results and they score very well in their board exam. Clear? So I am welcoming all students again in BBS Smriti Vidyapeeth for attending in class 11th. So today I am here to give you information how to choose your subject, why to choose your subject as a science, as an commerce, as a commerce and as an art. Clear? So every student have some problems, some doubts regarding the choice of subject. Clear? Because every student is opting their subject as per the guidance given by their parents, given by their neighbors and their seniors and their friends. But I am suggesting every student choose your subject as per your own quality, own capability. If you are capable to pursue in physics, chemistry, math, then you have to choose science stream. If you are not capable to carry forward mathematics, then you have option to choose bio, because in bio you have to study physics and chemistry, but there is no math. Clear? If any student who is facing difficulty in attending the classes related to the physics, chemistry and math also, they have chance to adopt commerce and humanities. Clear? So every subject have their own speciality. Every subject is equal. So no need to worry about what are the future in science, what are the future in commerce, what are the future in humanity. Every subject have their separate futures and every subject is have importance in your career. Clear? So you have to choose your subject as per your quality, as per your preference. What you are preferring, what you are thinking, what you are doing, what you want to do in future. If you want to go through the civil services, if you want to go for the BTech, if you want to become an engineer and a doctor, and if you want to become a corporate or the management sector and other sectors. So you have to particular about your subjects. So I am myself Vivek Singh. I am a commerce teacher in your school and I am a head of department in commerce. Clear? So today I am present here to inform you about the commerce. What is commerce? Most of the students are already studied about the science and arts, humanities. Means you studies both subject up to the class 10th. You studied about the physics, chemistry, math up to the 10th. And you also studied about the history, geography and civics and economics up to 10th class. But you are not aware about the commerce. What is a commerce? Basically, commerce is a subject which is a mixture of science and art. Means it is a mixture of science stream and humanities. Means a student who is opting a subject commerce, he or she can participate in both stream in future. Clear? Means a commerce student have chance to take some subjects which are related to the science. Means commerce student can opt commerce with mathematics, and commerce student can also opt the humanities subject in future. Clear? So basically commerce is a mixture of both subject, science and humanities. Clear? So firstly I want to know you about what are the subjects involved in commerce. Clear? So basically in commerce we have the subject accounts, first subject, second business studies, and the third is economics. Clear? So basically these are three main subjects in commerce: accounts, business studies, and economics. Clear? So in accounts, what we are going to study in accounts? In accounts, we have to study about the financial situations of company, how to find out the profit, and how to find out the tax liabilities of the company. Clear? So basically accounts is a subject which is related to the financial decisions or the financial conditions of the company. Means this subject is totally related to the finance. Means how to record the expenses and income of the company, and how to maintain the systematic record of expenses and income of the company. Clear? And it is also helpful to identify the profit and loss and the financial position of the company. So basically it is very important part. Accounting is used everywhere, in every department, in every type of organization and every type of business. Clear? ऐसा नहीं है कि accounting is used only in some places. It is used in your school, in your home, in a government sector, in a private sector. Everywhere it is used. Clear? So it means account is required everywhere. Clear? So that's why it is a universal, na? So now what about the business studies? In business studies, we have to study how to start a business, how to establish a business, how to become an entrepreneur. How you become an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur means how you become an owner of a business, how you start your own business, how you establish your business. All these things we are going to study in business studies, and it is also helpful in understanding how to manage the work, how to control your work. Clear? And how to become a manager and how to become a good management. We have to study all these things in business studies. And now come to the economics. Basically in economics, we are going to study about the economic problems and the human behavior of the country. Clear? And what are the economic conditions of a country we have to study in economics. Clear? So basically in economics, we have to study about the Indian economy and the economic condition of the country and how to solve the problems of the country, which are very important for every country. Clear? So we have to understand the problems of the economy and solve the problem. Clear? So we have to study these things in economics. It is very demanding subject. Nowadays it is a very demanding subject because most of the students are not aware about this subject, and there is a lack of students, lack of competitors in the market related to this subject. And there are so many offers, so many jobs related to economics. Clear? So these are the subject which we are going to study in commerce. Clear? Now after this I have to discuss about the career options in commerce. Clear? Have too many courses after completing a 12th class. A commerce student can move towards the BCom. BCom means Bachelor in Commerce. Means a BCom students can move towards any government jobs and any private sector job which are related to the finance. Clear? And it's not compulsory he is capable to apply in finance job. He is capable to apply in administrative job, means like UPSC, SSC. Okay? So students have option to participate in the UPSC exams and SSC exams. Clear? And BCom students also have option to participate in banking sector and the corporate sector. Clear? Now the next course is BBA, means Bachelor in Business Application. Clear? Basically, a commerce student can also do Bachelor of Management Science. Clear? CA is a Chartered Accountant. CA stands for Chartered Accountant. Who is Chartered Accountant? Chartered Accounting is a signing authority who have right to sign a balance sheet of the company and who is capable to establish any firm or any organization. Without CA signature, any firm cannot complete their accounting and cannot it is established. Clear? So if you are going to establish a firm or a business, you need a sign of CA. Clear? So CA is a signing authority and it is the highest post, or it is a profession. It is a profession just like a doctor, lawyer. Clear? So CA is just a doctor of the company who is dealing in finance. Clear? Now, integrated law courses means it is also a commerce student can move towards the CLAT, means 5-year law course, which is helpful in attaining a job in the corporate sector and the government sector. A CLAT student or the law student can participate in the PCSJ exam for the judges, and he can also move towards the corporate field. In every company need a legal advisor. Clear? So there are many options. BBS, Bachelor of Business Studies. BHM. Basically BHM, what is BHM? BHM is a Bachelor in Hotel Management. Basically a commerce student can move towards the hotel management. So hotel management course is also suitable for the commerce student. Clear? And the next is CS. CS means Company Secretary. Every company need a company secretary. Company secretary is just also known as legal advisor of a company. Clear? So CS is very important for the corporate field and it is helpful for the corporate sector and for the government also. Clear? So CS is a profession. CS is a person always treated as a profession. Clear? So it is just like a doctor and lawyer. He is providing a financial help and the financial advices to their customers or to their clients. Clear? Commerce student can also move towards the BPEd, Bachelor in Physical Education, DLEd, Bachelor in Diploma in Education. Clear? And he can also move towards the cost management system, cost accounting. Clear? So the commerce student have too many options and he can participate in every types of government job. Commerce student can also move towards the defense forces, paramilitary forces. Some of the students or the person saying a commerce student cannot move towards the defense and paramilitary forces. It's your I am clearing your doubt. Any students, those who is belong from the commerce, he can move towards the defense forces and the paramilitary forces. Clear? And if you are a commerce student, then you can move towards defense with the help of CDS, Combined Defense Services. And if you want to join the paramilitary forces, then you have to go through the UPSC exam. Clear? Union Public Service Commission. Clear? So these are the career options in commerce. After the 12th, you have the many options. You have many chances to participate in government jobs and private sector. It have the scope in both sectors, government and private sector. So if you like this concept, if you know about if you have any doubt regarding the commerce, so please give me a comment in comment box. And if you have any doubt, so write in a comment box. I will clear your all doubts. So please students, choose your subject as per your choice, as per your strength. Don't choose your subject as per the neighbor, as per your friend, as per your family members. Clear? So it's only about you, because you have to face the competition in future. Clear? So thank you and have a nice day.